Alright guys, here on Valentine's, we switched gears. We decided to stay in Tempe instead of Surprise. So this is the pool, the Hilton. So it's a little pool, good vibes, pool bar overlooking Tempe. Went to the zoo today. So I'll eat alcohol here, and we got our favorite, the Angry Orchard. So yeah, the hockey arena. We were in Vegas. Vegas was fun. We went, like my hair, huh? Went to the zoo, did some things. So we're on the DJI Osmo 4. Probably won the wild with it. So kind of see how it is over here. Lots of fun. Isn't like the one in Vegas when I was there. So went to the zoo. I never saw so much pink and red in my entire life. I don't know if you can go up there or not up there, but you have the Sun Devil Arena. I don't know if that's the hockey right there or not. Financial Arena. Tell. Sit right here and hang out. On the 8th floor. Down. This is right in the middle of the college campus. ASU. A little too much of an open campus for my taste if I was a kid, so. Oh, yeah, the parking's. What's this place? What hotel is it called again?
Hyatt House.
Hyatt House. So, we parked over there. We'll walk over here is the pool. Not really that special. Ouch. Pretty warm. See that's the sun. So I don't know if that's the Desert Financial, if that's the hockey rink or not. I have no idea. But that's the Pumpkin Bowl. They're building down here. So they're building a lot of construction down here. A lot of scooters. Wednesday, Valentine's, the wild one Monday night. Fun ride down. Should we go in the water? I like bath water. How's it going?
Good.
Well, you know, go check out the bath water. Yeah, that's not too bad. Shall we? Not bad. Oh, refreshing, but It's nice. We went to the, you guys saw the other videos, went to the zoo, went to the thing, so we're going to go to probably Sedona tomorrow. Check that out. So, I didn't bring for the GoPro 10, I didn't bring the cover for the waterproof, so I can use this one waterproof if I want to as well, so. But that's a nice little pool. It's not like the one in Las Vegas. That was a pretty nice one. So, but, yeah, I just figured, go to the pool, take a long light shower, and go to the hockey game. So. It's not the Caribbean. They have Rock Slide Park over there. Slide Rock rocks it over in Sedona. Hope you guys enjoyed the Nelson ghost town. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. We're walking the Las Vegas hockey game was beautiful. We walked right across the street, Park MGM. Walked right across the street. The room was like $110. Not a very big room, but it was nice. So it was fun. So tomorrow's off day. And then we leave Friday morning to come back. So this will be out Thanksgiving of 2024. Oof. Hopefully this winter is better than last winter. With no snow at all. Minnesota, I know that this week, 13th of February, there's a lot of snow on the East Coast. So we got spanked New York. But anyways, guys, let's go to Sedona. And I'll probably also do videos of the hockey arena next. Let me go to that one day. Show a little difference of what they have in Arizona compared to they have in lovely and talented Las Vegas. See if they actually introduce the wild teams. They didn't in Las Vegas. They didn't introduce. So, anyways, but it's a cool pool. Beautiful. So, what more can you ask for, huh? But we'll continue on our little trip to Arizona for the Valentine's. So at the zoo today, there was a lot of red and pink, but a lot of field trip. A lot of kindergartners and whatever else running around. So the critters weren't around as much as they could, but saw a lot of fun stuff. It's always fun to go to local zoos. So we'll quick little run in the water, shall we? Alright guys, we're gonna go lay down for a little bit and relax. I'll talk to you guys all later. Ciao.